industry take your construction and mining projects to the next level with a DB45 from Sleeper. This compact load trailer is designed for those who do not recognize boundaries and obstacles. Designed to efficiently transport heavy equipment up to 45 tons over rough terrain, the DB45 guarantees mobility without limits. Its robustness and reliability will not let it down in extreme temperatures, which is why it has already been successfully used in the snowy forests of northern Finland. After the first pass with AV shear, all the debris will be on the ground. That's when a new technique from Savannah comes into play, producing its own 1200 series of rotor rakes, specifically designed to pick up debris. After the cutting process, there are two groups of rotary rakes, the 126,127 for light debris in the form of short sticks and small stumps, and the 1240, 1250 and 1260 capable of picking up long full-grown trees and large stumps, and which can also significantly level the ground surface. What else would you expect from SEV than the release of their trailed non-stop harvesting unit, which consists of two symmetrical elements attached to two tractors? The technique boasts a large machine-welded chassis, a new hydraulic offset drawbar to keep the tractor in line with the row, and the fact that the vibration cycle is now controlled by a programmable logic controller. Safety grills located under the flake panels allow the machine to be released quickly in the event of contact with trees. These fruit harvesters are also equipped with an auxiliary hydraulic unit which is driven by the tractor's PTO. Meet the Euro front loader, an extraordinary machine that will become a real highlight on your business. It has the unique ability to accurately cut wood with a band saw that's adjustable up to 19.7 in length, with the ability to cut wood up to 66.9 in length. The performance is impressive, about 10 packs per hour, with each cut taking about 90 seconds, weighing in at 16,535 pounds and measuring 92.5 in wide. This loader is not only productive but also surprisingly mobile. Loading heights of up to 13.1 feet provide flexibility to work with a variety of truck types, making it an ideal solution for businesses. You see the Power Screen H6203 horizontal SI, a technique that is ideal for handling large volumes of sticky and non-sticky materials, as well as the accurate bulk sizing required in many construction contracts. The adjustable elliptical stroke combines linear and circular amplitude to provide aggressive screening action. Power Screen horizontal screens are particularly effective at scalping after primary impact or jaw crushers, and really excel at screening certain fins, ideal for applications such as natural and crushed aggregate, coal, iron ore, recycled concrete, and the SP3150 grabs bales in the same direction your bore places them in the field by clamping the size of the bale, eliminating the need to drive crosswise across the field or move bales across the ground into position. The bale clamp quickly pulls the bales off the ground, reducing the amount of stuck debris created when the bales slide on the ground. It's fully adjustable for 3x3, 3x4 and 4x4 bales, and the spring-loaded bumper has multiple settings for different bale lengths. Roller fork stabilize the bales on the platform and ensure tight and even stacking. The Eper Rock DM30XC is a crawler-mounted top hydraulic rotary blast hole drilling machine with 30 feet drill pipe exchange capability. The starter drill rod is located under the DM30XC machine's RO drive. Total cleaning depth is 148 feet depending on drill pipe size. The 30 German Marks XC is designed to handle drill pipe diameters from 4 into 6 and 1/4 in. The drill bit is rated at 44,000 lb, a choice of low or high press compressor makes the machine suitable for rotary drilling or submerged percussion drilling. Meet the powerful mid-range wood chipper for professional users. The Vale machine is ideal for chopping branches, twigs and trunks of any type of wood. With a maximum diameter of 7.5 in the machine can be tractor-driven diesel or hydraulic-powered. Its safety bar surrounds the loading hopper, providing maximum safety for the operator. The upper hood and ejectors shoot or noise reducing. Plus, with this unit the chip size can be adjusted and can be minimized. Wilden is well known for the machines that can trim trees into clumps over 400 in high, and here is their new innovative machine that has been designed to clear driveways, streets, gardens and parks where vegetation is obstructing passage. The machine can also be used in farming for pruning fruit trees and other plantations where there's adequate row spacing. The machine, with its self-propelled Green, is equipped with a remote control which is incredibly cool. It helps to achieve the pruning goals economically and according to all the needs of the user. Guess what pushed the boundaries? With the DYO model DC420RE, it's your next step into the world of high performance drilling. The maneuverable all-terrain drilling machine is designed to work in the most demanding environments, providing accurate drilling of holes from 2 to 3 in diameter. It's been designed for maximum stability and mobility, so it guarantees outstanding performance and helps you exceed expectations. Its reliability and power make this unit an indispensable tool for those looking to lead. The Zern 160 is a modern selection harvester for clean and unmixed grain harvesting. The Zern 160 has been developed from scratch. The modern machine concept meets the highest requirements. The threshing unit, cleaning system and engine have sufficient power reserves for harvesting demanding crops from specific areas of land. The ergonomically designed cab provides maximum comfort for the driver and operator. The combine harvester is modularly designed and can be individually configured according to customer requirements and wishes. Woodworking machines RCA 480 models Joy Plus and Joy from the Taj Fund Company are real assistants in forestry. Equipped with advanced technology, these machines turn logs into firewood with incredible efficiency and minimal energy consumption. Conversion from transport to work mode is quick and easy, allowing operators to easily switch between tasks. Compact and reliable two-phone machines provide high productivity with easy operation, making them the ideal choice for any forestry operation. DWOL recently unveiled its new agricultural machine, the ZKVSC 4-row Tadar combine. The powerful machine is characterized by an extended set of cleaning functions, a brand new elevator with hydraulic extension, and the ability to pick the product, in this case carrots, with short row spacing. Such machinery has numerous advantages such as stability in the field, reliability and excellent maneuverability, high harvesting quality and high processing capacity. The manufacturer offers entirely new knives as well as 3 cleaning versions for the KNE transportation of the product into containers or trailer according to the customer's requirements and local needs. This is a multi-head breaker. It's used for applying gravel. This is the most effective procedure for addressing reflective cracking in hot mix asphalt pavement. The Kumatu WA 800 is a large wheel loader designed for use in heavy-duty mining and construction applications. Manufactured by Kumatu, a leading producer of heavy equipment, the WA 800 is known for its impressive size and hauling capacity as well as its advanced features and cutting-edge technology. Its combination of size, power, advanced technology and operator-friendly design make it a popular choice for mining and construction firms around the world. Meet the Vermeer RTX 1250A, next-generation tractor that will make your installation operations easier and more efficient. This versatile trencher is equipped with various smart attachments, making it the ideal choice for all your cable and utility installation needs. No matter how difficult the terrain, the RTX 1250 gives you mobility with its powerful tracks or tires. Leave the job site with the satisfaction of a job well done, possible with a cool machine designed for all your needs. The Caterpillar D11T bulldozer is a true monster capable of crushing even the most powerful car to pieces. It's all thanks to its 850 horsepower engine that the engineers have bestowed upon it by the way the technology allows, optimizing the performance of this engine, increasing fuel efficiency and reducing emissions in the atmosphere. Moreover, the modern electronic equipment installed on the model makes the new bulldozer easier to operate. The new 995 FDM proves once again that Lugon is a force to be reckoned with when it comes to industrial design and intelligent engineering. This brand new excavator with powerful attachments meets all customer needs and is a perfect example of a reliable machine. For the most demanding tasks, the machine offers durability and reliability as well as excellent handling and comfort. Powered by an 18.1L Perkins engine with 447 kilowatts of low RPM and high torque, the 995 FDM delivers best-in-class breakout. Construction of fences is truly a billion-dollar industry, and the demand for it is constantly growing. If you want to gain a significant advantage in this work over other companies, then in the competitive struggle you can't do without the Eater, a mini skid steer. Thanks to this machine you can drill perfect holes for posts as well as mix and pea cement with the same auger attachment. I believe the developers have achieved exceptional efficiency with this equipment.